It's time to delve into the world of business and trade. Principal Secretary Regina Ombam says Kenya is in talks with a company from the United Arab Emirates to invest in automation, repairing of current berths and construction of a direct shipping line at the Port of Mombasa. Here is Benson Riaba with the details.
Our regional transit network. This is because if we look at trade in the present times, it's more around efficiency, consistency, and how fast you can get to the consumer. And therefore, when we look at our infrastructure, we really have to look at around modernizing it so that it actually meets those tenets of the modern type trade of efficiency, consistency, and getting to the customer in good time.
More than 250 companies, so 250 companies who was in our journey, including November 2025 this year. There are more than 120 MOU has been signed between both private sector